it's me, Haika and
Zayan,
and today we are going to be unboxing some
headphones.
So let's get started. Are you excited, Zayan?
Yes, I'm very excited.
What color do you think they're going to be?
I think this one's gonna be pink and this one's gonna be turquoise.
Oh, what's your favorite color?
It's turquoise and dark blue.
Mine is pink and mint. First, we're gonna review the outside of the box, and then we're going to open it and see what's inside. The iClever HS19 headphones have a 150 centimeters cable length, and they are wired headphones, as you can see, and it's for 3+ years. So yeah. Now let's check out Zayan's headphones. Zayan's headphones are the BTH12 headphones, and they have a battery charge time for up to 3 hours, and the maximum transmission power is 8.
Are you excited, Haika?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Let's open it.
Yay! Let's open Zayan's one first. Wow! The color is very nice, and it says iClever right over here. Is it your favorite color, Zayan?
Yes.
Okay, then let's see what else is in the box. We've got a user manual, and we have got a charging cable and this other cable in case you don't want to connect it with the Bluetooth. Here goes Zayan. Now take the headphones out the plastic. They feel very smooth.
Wow, it feels very smooth and the quality is very good. You can see this on and off one. It has LED lights. I'll show you them in a minute. So there's a little R for right, and on the other side there's a little L for left. And so we have a button for the lights, and we have a button for the plus is for the volume, and then we have plus and pause, and we have a minus for making the volume less, and then we have a switch here, and then we have another switch here, and then we have holes, and then there's an on and off button. Let's turn it on. Let's turn the light on. Let's turn it on. Whoa! There's so many cool colors, and you can see.
Quick, let's open mine as well. Wow! The color is so beautiful. My favorite color, pink and mint. This is the manual, wired headphones. My headphones have a wire, and Zayan's headphones are Bluetooth. Okay, let's take mine on the packaging. Wow, they feel so smooth, and I love these cushions. They're very, very soft. And here is the cable packaged nicely. And on the cable, there is this button, and you can press it for the volume and stuff. And it's got this button over here and this switch, and it's got the volumes that I can go up to on it as well. And over here, the design is very modern, and I love it. Over here, there's a L for left and an R for right, just like on Zayan's. The headband is very smooth and adjustable, and on these side bits you can pull them to adjust to your liking. and it's also numbered, so then you can like see what number you're on. And for your kid, if you could just say to your kid you're number 2, and then they could find the number 2 and put it like this, so then it's very like easy to do it as well. So see how easy that is. And I love how they're so soft, and the material is just amazing. So I would definitely recommend getting these. In my box I got headphones and a user manual, and you cannot separate these two. They're both connected, and if you would separate them they would break. But overall this is very good quality and I really like them.
We got headphones. We got a manual if you don't know how to use these things. We have a charging USB-C cable. You can charge the headphones. If they did put this could be a very big problem. We have a white cable if you want to do it without Bluetooth. You could do this with your laptops, your iPhone, or your Apple iPad. Just with a laptop, a phone, or an iPad.
You can use these in a playground, a car, an airplane. These are very portable, so you can use them just about anywhere. And the fact I love about these is that they're very compatible, so you can fold them like this and you can take them anywhere with you, and then you can just fold them back out and use them. And they also cancel out most of the sounds, and when you're listening or watching a video, all of the sound gets blocked out and you cannot hear anything. So overall I would give my headphones a 5 out of 5 star review.
So my headphones, you can do it in a playground, a car, an airplane, a taxi, or even in a house or a home. And my headphones also are very good quality. I like this, like it's smooth, and it's very good quality to have this small light and rainbow colors. And I give this star a 5 out of 5.
If you would like to buy these headphones, we have given the link down in the description box below. So if you would like them, go check it out. And be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and share. See you all next time.
Bye!